let's move forward. Now we've been through the intro. You've gotten the things that you need for to prepare for installation, and you've done these items. So the last thing we'll do is the box. I'll talk about that in this video, but that'll be a separate video just to what's in the box. All I want to do now is kind of review the beam spot, because after that you're going to then contact me, say you burned a spot, and then you're either ready for your PC to PC installation, or you're ready to go forward and watch the courses, or I'm flying out to do the installation, or driving up to do the installation. So now, once we do that, you're going to go in here and let's just review again. Remember, when you hit the ZU button, you automatically came up on Z move. The up arrows will move you through the registry. The down, left to right arrows will move the table up and down. So use your up arrow and you'll rotate to autofocus still over a piece of material. What I usually do though is I usually rotate to diagnosis. And then I put my hand underneath the nozzle and I push up on it, and within diagnosis you'll see the Z light lit. But if you don't want to do that, just go ahead and hit autofocus and hit enter, and the table will come up, compress the tip of the nose cone, the nozzle, and then go back down and withdraw to focus, showing your autofocus is working. Now, one of the things I like to remember is the word off. Origin, focus, file. Origin is going to be your starting position, so in this case we're going to teach you top right, even though you can use whatever origin point you want. And then we're going to go move the unit to over the middle of the material we're lasering, do an autofocus, and then load whatever file we happen to download, or hit escape again. It should move back to the original origin, and you can just start it from the pendant. But remember off. Origin, focus, file. It is definitely going to be your friend. The other thing you're going to want to check is to make sure the table platform is level, not lower on one side than the other. If so, all you do is turn the table off, grab the belt on that side, and crank it up fairly even. I will take care of perfecting it when I'm there doing the installation, or I'll walk you through it over the telephone. Also, on the right hand side is a switch for the lights, the cabinet lights on. Remember too, the laser will not fire else the cover is down and the chiller is on. Laser will not fire else the cover is down and the chiller is on. So if you didn't get a fire, drop your cover, turn your chiller on. This is the reason why we plug the chiller into the same surge protector with the laser, so they're always on at the same time, they're always off at the same time. Also remember something I forgot to cover. There is a signal cable that goes from the back of the chiller to the laser. That must be plugged in, else it doesn't realize the chiller is on and it will not fire. So again, in review, in to out, out to in on the hoses, no packing material, origin over the top of the material, do a focus, ZU, moves them up and down, left and right once you're in ZU, on Z move, up arrow to autofocus, hit enter, and it'll come up, focus. Your chiller signal cable is hooked up and your cover is down. Once you burn that dot, you are ready for me. Thank you.